and the turd. So this is the exhaust that came out of the K-Nugget. It's a 2.5 with a HKS muffler, and also this is another mid pipe that I have from another exhaust. Should be 2.5. We're gonna go to the exhaust shop because I want to see if I can get it installed. This car has a stock muffler ish, so it's made it with muffler to a 2.5, then to a 1.7. See if maybe we can add from the front of the engine, from the header all the way to the muffler. We can keep it, make universal 2.5, or worst case scenario, we'll slap on the HKS. Not sure if you can hear it, can't really hear the exhaust. So I went to an exhaust shop that I went a couple of years ago, quote unquote Paisa, and they're kind of busy. They're like, come back tomorrow. I went to another one near my homie's where he lives, and they're kind of packed too. So I'm gonna go check out Team MPE. I've gone there before for my exhaust on my K-Nugget, and I'm gonna see how much they quote me for. If not, then I'll just wait on it. So we made it to Team MPE, and pretty much I explained to him the situation with the car. He's gonna go check it out. I mean, it's gonna be a little bit more pricier, but I mean, their welds and the exhaust that they did on the K-Nugget was good quality. So we're gonna see how much they cost just to replace the stock piping, keep the stock muffler, and go from there. So we'll see how it goes. hear it? Louder than before, but not over obnoxious. Doesn't sound too loud.